Hey guys, my name is Kirit and you are watching Kirit Singh channel, and please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more information and updates on this channel. Hey guys, my name is Kirit and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually blur the background of images in Photoshop CS6. So guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to get the image you want to blur the background of in the Photoshop CS6. I'll place an image which I probably have in this PC drive D, this one. Okay, well, this one is a curtain behind me right there. Still I'm gonna blur the background as to fulfill the purpose of the video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is select the image you want to focus on and blur the background. Okay, so I want to focus on this image and I want to blur the curtains and all. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just select my image, okay, because I want to focus on it. Yes, I'm doing it using the pen tool, and I'll meet you after I select this.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another.
So guys, here I have selected the image I want to actually focus on, so I'll make selection. Okay, and what I'll do is press Ctrl plus J. What this does is it actually makes the selected object into another layer like this. You see, I've created a name. I've created a layer by name of layer 1, which just has the selected image. And what I'll do is I'll press on this image with the curtains, and what I'll do is click on filter, blur, do Gaussian blur, and actually do it 5.7 radius. Yes, you see I have blurred the background, and that's the reason I actually selected the image I focus on. And remember to put that layer above the layer you actually are doing the blur on, because if you don't do that you will get something like this. You'll get the image blurry, but if you do that you will get this class image. See, this is such class. I love it. And so that, guys, this was on how to blur the background of the image. This was it. I hope you liked the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, and bye.